Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a recent Walmart.com and Amazon order. I decided to go ahead and just put them together since it was such a small order. This is the Califia Farm Oat Barista Blend. If you saw in my previous video, I have a Keurig that makes cappuccinos and lattes. And I drink coffee every day. And I just wanted to try some oat milk to see if it tastes better. I tried regular oat milk. It doesn't taste right to me. So maybe this Barista blend will taste better. And it came in a 3-pack. It's best if used by November 2020. That's less than a month away. I'm not really happy they gave these to me, but I guess it is what it is. It was nice that they put this sticker on it, and they also put it in a bag, so if it leaked, it would at least leak in the bag. So that was that. And then I also got more of the trail. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but the shelf stable milk. We did put this in the refrigerator and taste it, and it tastes good. So I think these are great to get, and these are from Walmart. And these are best before March 15, 2021. So that's a little less than 6 months away, which is fine. And then on Amazon, those two items were on Walmart. And then on Amazon, I found some butter powder. It's 2 pounds. It expires August 2030, so that's 10 years from now, so that's awesome. And just add water, and then you add the butter powder to dry ingredients, then add the water to the wet ingredients. So that's how you use it. It gives you some instructions on how to use butter powder. And then I also got this emergency supply kit. 48 hours for 4 people. It's 10,000 calories, 55 servings, and you get buttermilk pancakes, you get oatmeal, you get chicken flavored rice, mac and cheese, and creamy potato soup. And this expires August 2050, so in 30 years. I originally purchased this on Amazon, okay, but I saw it on Walmart.com when I found these oats, and it was cheaper. So needless to say, I returned the one on Amazon and bought this one. And when I purchased it, this was just $20 on Walmart.com, and on Amazon it was $37. So you better believe I got my $17 back. And then I got these quick oats from Walmart.com, and this expires April 2050. I think this was a little less than $10. And I don't really want to say the prices because I know how they change so quickly. And then these dehydrated potato shreds. This was from Amazon and expires July 2045. And this was less than like 18 bucks on Amazon. And then the butter powder was less than 20 bucks on Amazon. And then on Walmart, this was like $10.50, and this is a 6-pack, 6 1-quart cartons of milk. And then the oat milk, I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like it was around $8 just for 3 of them. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will catch you all next time. Bye.